Same thing in India. The problem I have with the politician, because of the vote bank, they lay allegations against me. And I have that problem even in Malaysia. The non-Muslim politicians, for the vote bank, they keep on accusing me. So I filed a defamation case against 5 politicians, mashallah. That was in 2019, after my speech in Kelantan. And mashallah, out of which one politician, before the case started, he asked for a apologize and asked for a settlement, and we agreed. The 2 of them, mashallah, they lost the case and they were asked by the judge that they should apologize, and 2 are yet pending. So by Allah's grace, alhamdulillah, but this is common for the vote bank. But generally, the non-Muslims who watch my video cassette, they are my fans. Whether it be in Malaysia, I get very often when I go to Malaysia, many non-Muslims want to take photographs with me, the Hindus, the Christians, many of the Chinese. It's common. The problem that I have is mainly with the non-Muslim politicians for the vote bank. So if Allah wills, and if there is a change, inshallah, Allah knows best when is the right time. Otherwise, surely we will come via the satellite, we'll come via the social media, we'll come via the internet. The work will continue and the message will keep on reaching. As the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, inshallah, Islam will enter every home. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make me and Peace TV instrumental in fulfilling of this hadith.